Welcome back to Liangjiang Channel. Now, it's time to explore how this knowledge plays out in real-world scenarios and how our product can revolutionize your paint-making experience. Dispersibility also has a huge impact on the viscosity and stability of waterborne paints. A well-dispersed titanium dioxide results in a paint with a consistent, easy-to-manage viscosity. Using our Liangjiang Titanium Dioxide in your waterborne paint production is a piece of cake. First, measure out the right amount of your paint base. Then, carefully add the recommended quantity of our titanium dioxide. Use a clean, high-quality stirrer and set it to the perfect speed. Stir for long enough to make sure it's completely dispersed. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to get the most out of our product and create waterborne paints of the highest quality. If you have any questions, need more information, or want to place an order, leave a comment below or visit our website. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.